Hey everyone, I'm Bill. That's Bogna. We're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Thunderhill Raceway. And welcome back. Is this my second ride on the V2 on truck? No, I think I've gotten 3. Third ride of the V2 and the all-new V2. And we're out here on the 3-mile track. And Bogna, as typical fashion, is already worn out for the day. So I have 2 sessions left, and they were both Bogna's bike. I encourage you guys to watch the R3. It should be some good footage. But we are going to take out the all-new Ducati V2 in this beautiful paint. It's like riding a whole new bike, isn't it? Dave Moss has adjusted the suspension. I mean, we are in for a treat, aren't we? All right, guys, so let's go ahead and head out. GP shift. Thanks, babe. So we're gonna head out and bring you guys a little session on the V2. Yeah, baby. So we just got this back from Eddie at Shred Dog. You know, he's painted all my bikes. Ray? So very excited to ride the bike out here at Thunderhill because this thing has been hauling mail today. Bogna has been just next level on this thing, and so I'm really excited to bring you guys this ride because this is a pretty badass little bike, I'll have to say. And you know me, I'm kind of over that sport bike phase of my life. I've been there all my life, and now I like my hyper nakeds. So the tires are extra cold only because we just had lunch. So we're right after lunch. So we're gonna take it easy. But yeah, Eddie's worked his magic once again on the V2, and it just is so flawless. It's just so nice. Get some heat in the tire back here. Bring the tire up to here. So we got to get this thing in for service, and Bogna, we really need to figure out this brake master because she literally has no brake in the front. I mean, I don't say literally no brake, but she definitely needs to get the brakes sorted out. Look at him. And they didn't want to hit that guy. GP shift, Jesus. All right. Definitely crazy to go from the hyper nakeds to the sport bike. get back in the rhythm. Remember GP shift. There we go. It's like learning to ride again. It's so crazy. Threading the needle. So you gotta get this bike, I keep forgetting, you gotta ride it so much harder to really get the appreciation on this thing. The handling and everything just works so much better at the higher speed. And then also, I gotta remember, you know, we don't have big bars to toss around the bike. So I gotta work the body position a little bit more. burp. Woo. That was a good lap. Exactly why it's not really safe, but not my show. I got one more lap in me, guys. Brian in front of us, he's on the Moto 2 Triumph 765. You got anything for him? I'll tell you what, this V2's been ridden this weekend. Woo. Oh, you guys, what a ride. Thank you guys for riding along. Another V2 video. If you guys are just coming across this is my girlfriend's bike, so I don't get a chance to ride this bike very often, so whew, it's a whole different ride than my Super Nakeds and the Hyper Naked. The thing sounds just amazeballs. This thing, babe. Woo!
Yes, tell me more. Wheels? What's up? Grab a cake. Do you need to sit down for a second? Do you need a cigarette?
Thank you guys for sticking around. The Panigale V2. What a babe! I never imagined that bike would be as awesome as it is. So hard, like the first couple laps, I'm like, hey, remember you're on a sport bike. The first lap, hey, remember it's GP shift.
Up is down and down is up.
I may have cut some of the misshifts out of the video. Whew. Yeah, that thing is bad. Whoo, you guys. Well, thank you, babe, for letting me steal your bike one more session. I was just telling him, remember, this isn't my bike. I don't get to ride this thing very often, but she got this bike down today. She had this bike down very, very well. So stay tuned. I'm gonna head out on the R3 for one last session of the day, and then stay tuned because we're heading up to the ridge. Super excited, and we'll see you guys then. Talk to you guys later. See you next video. Bye, guys.